Good day, traders. This is Rick with your aftermarket update for the live trading alert room. Today is Monday, July 28th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today we had lots of opportunities. I mentioned 2 or 3 trades we did not take. I mentioned them in advance, but I did not recommend taking them. We had 3 takeable trades, and we had 4 other trades actually that were mentioned, but we did not take. And I'm going to go through them all right now. The first one was right at the open. I said that we can get short on an RS trade at 1972.75 or so, 1972.50, 1972.75, depending on where you could get filled. I said that if the market got above 350, we would know we were wrong, and we can just exit the trade. We wouldn't have to take a theoretical 2-point stop on that, which is what we trade with a 2-point hard stop. We would just get out of the trade. And we took that thing down. First target was 66.50. Next target was 64. And finally, the next target was 175. So depending on how many contracts people had, we got a nice trade there. Now, as an add-on or as a new entry, we had news come out. The news was not good. I said that they were either going to take this up and ignore the fact that the news was bad, or come back down and you can get short again below 1966. As soon as it ticked 1965.75, gave everybody the opportunity to get short. I said immediately take half off, which is a little bit more aggressive than we normally go. But because it was in the middle of news, take half off, go -1 point, and get into a total break-even situation. And see if it keeps coming down. It did keep coming down, and we got to the target down here. Now, for those who didn't take it, I did mention there was a 3rd RS trade here with this blue dot, and even a 4th RS trade here. Both would have produced, but I did not recommend anybody take them because we had multiple opportunities to be in from up higher. Now, when this after this candle came here, I said to exit the trade. I said you'd have to be out of 95% of your contracts or just get completely out of the trade, because there was a better chance that this market was coming up than going to come down. And that's where most of us got out from anywhere here, wherever we were in, multiple spots. Now, when the market came up here on this green candle after this red one, and came down this little red candle here, I said that what we had was we had what was called a low-level S play to get long. Again, we did not take the trade. Okay, but we could have been long as low as 275 right down here. That would have produced as well. The market came up here. We were waiting for a power play to activate. Again, could have gotten long as low as 375 here. We did not take the trade. I was just pointing these things out in advance to show people, because you can't say it after the fact. Otherwise, anybody can say anything. But said we were going to wait for something a little bit more conservative. Got into the trade here, 66 long, 66 quarter. And on the candle at 10:15 here, we got in the candle before, 10:12. On the candle at 10:15, I said that there was a ZL that was present. ZL means that the market could continue on down, and if you want to be more conservative, you would just get out of the trade there. Now, I gave people the option. I said in this particular case, the ZL looked weak. Okay, so I said if you're up on the day, you want to stay in, you can stay in the trade. Otherwise, you would get out right here, lock in a tick or break even, depending on if you got in at 66 or 66 quarter. And some people got out, some people stayed in. If you stayed in, never would have taken that much heat. Maybe 3 ticks. Came down to 5 quarter here, and the market went up, and this was the target, 850 to 70. Said it could go as high as 70.50. It actually went 70.75. But I wanted everybody to make sure that they got filled if they wanted to shoot for 70. If it went 70 quarter, 70.50, everybody would get filled, and we were out of the trade, and that was all that we did. So 1 winner, 2 winners, either as an entry or a new entry as an add-on. Would have had another 4 winners here, but we did not take anything. I just wanted to point out the power of the methodology in real time, and then long here. So 3 suggested takeable winners, and another 4 trades that would have been winners that we were not in. So pretty active today. Market made some good movement, and we're done for the day. We're going to come back and do it again tomorrow. So until then, guys, I want to wish everybody a happy and safe trading day if you're trading in the afternoon. And we will see you back tomorrow. Bye-bye.